Essay on the gardener in English. Gardening is one of the oldest and noblest professions. The weeds and plants came into being with the creation of this world, and the man tended them as a gardener. It is a simple activity which has now become an art. All over the world, gardening is now spreading as a desired thing. The gardener is a fortunate person who lives close to nature in a soothing atmosphere. Pure air, melodious notes of birds and lush green plants have pleasant effect on him. The gardener should have a great deal of knowledge about seeds, plants, flowers and trees. He must know the kind of soil and climate the plants like. He must know the growing nature of soil. He must know about the different kinds of manures and how and when to use them. A gardener must have a vast study of the requirements of different plants. He should know the methods of their preservation and the seasonal effects on them. He should know the condition of weather, effects of shade and sunshine on the plants. All the necessary knowledge required to grow plants and to tend them cannot be learned automatically. Nowadays, special courses of gardening are offered by the government to promote this pursuit. The gardening must be learned systematically and applied keenly to get the fruitful results from this activity. A gardener is a useful member of society, but he has a very low status. Even no one likes to be a gardener by choice. We should realize the dignity of work. The government should fix high standard of pay for gardeners. Gardening is a favorite pastime individually among affluent class, but the gardeners must be given more importance in society.